Hey there fellow riders, thank you for watching this video. I'm here today because I want to introduce you to the new Lexinmoto Et Com Bluetooth communication device that is made and designed for the motorcycle riders that want to be connected. So in this video I will show you what is included within these two kits and the features of them. And so we could say that when you receive your package you will already know what is inside, so it's going to be easier for you. So let me say first the Lexinmoto offers the new Et Com in two versions. We have the single kit here, and then we have the double pack, basically, that is actually thought for you and a friend or for you and a passenger. And it's actually like contain two main units. So now let me show you what is within like the single kit, so you will have an idea of what you will receive. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so when you open the box, you will see the main unit here, and just below it, basically, you have all the accessory. So now that you take a look, we can actually go through everything inside. So now we're going to show you what is inside actually the single kit. So we're going to go through step by step each element, every accessory within the box. So when you open it, it's going to be easier. You're going to find immediately your main unit, Et Com main unit here. Okay. Then you have two speaker high definition here that they are followed by two microphones, so it's interchangeable based on what helmet do you have. You can have it for full face helmet and for open face helmet here, as you see. And also with this one we have the like a microphone holder, the boom microphone holder. As well, you find two speaker pads here. Obviously you're gonna find the mountain brackets, like a metallic plate, and already within this element here you find a 3M double-sided tape, just in case you could have any problem to install the metallic plate. You can just peel the red line and you just stick it anywhere in your helmet. With the mountain bracket you're gonna have two screws and the Allen wrench to set it up. As well, you're gonna find a Type-C USB charging cable for your main unit. As well, 5-color shell here with a pin to modify your helmet. And as well, but in conclusion, you have your quick start guide and the user manual. Okay? To set it up. So now I will show you how we can use and how they will look, the color shell. So take a look at this one, so you will see what is your favorite taste, so like the mood of the day. So we have green, the yellow one, blue, red, and if you want to have a more natural like mood, maybe silver, and obviously the classic one that is black.